More details on $22 million robbery in East Kingston. Cops are reporting that guards run in different directions when the gunmen attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The management of a security company has come out to provide further information about an incident in which guards were held up and robbed of approximately $22 million by gunmen in East Kingston. Police report that a group of guards were traveling through Rollington town when the vehicle reported developed mechanical problems, and while it was being repaired, four armed robbers drove up, held up the group members and stole the cash. Sources claim that the guards were traveling in a Probox motor vehicle. The management of the company has however declined to comment on the make of the vehicle. We are aware of a robbery involving a beryllium vehicle in Rollington town on Wednesday, June the 8th, 2022. We can confirm that approximately $22 million were stolen from the vehicle, which was undergoing unavoidable emergency repairs at the time, the release stated. Present were a mechanic and three beryllium personnel who were armed. To our knowledge, four armed robbers were involved in the incident, a representative from the company said to reporters. Officials from the company said that all beryllium vehicles used to transport cash and the accompanied guards meet global security standards. The company management said that four armed perpetrators were not engaged by the guards in an effort to prevent gunfire and unnecessary injury or loss of life. According to a release from the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit, reports are that at around 12:10 p.m., employees were escorting money when their vehicle developed mechanical problems along Jackson Road in the parish. While fixing the vehicle, it is reported that an alleged motor car stopped beside them with two armed men alighted from the vehicle, the CCU said in a release. The employees ran in different directions, leaving the armored truck behind. The assailants managed to flee the scene with approximately $22 million. The investigation continues. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.